Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my words. Sounds like corpse, core, horse, and words. I will keep you Susie busy. May your head with heat grow disease. Tear in eye, your dress will tear. So shall I. Oh, hear my prayer.
Just compare heart, beard and hurt, dice and diet, Lord and word, sword and sword, written and written. Mind the letter, how it's written. Now I surely will not plague you with such words as plague and ague, but be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but break and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low. Squib, receive, show, point and toe.